Seventh heaven forever. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Happy birthday. I mean, Happy New Year 2015. Wrong. Watch and learn. We are living in 216. Everyone should know it. Already? Really? You are a well-known teacher, so you have to be right. Right? Shh. It's going to be our secret. So don't tell him. But we both know the time is relative. So 215, sweet 16, 718 or 25, it doesn't matter. It's just the number that will increase. However, legacy, from how do we live our lives, can and will stay forever. You've been blessed. It will survive. I see. Force is strong with you. So tell me, what's yours biggest New Year revolution? New game resolution. Damn it, you know what I mean. Well, basically it is still the same, like last year and year before. When just by an accident I had a thought, which suddenly popped up in my head, from nowhere. And then I could finally say it out loud. I have a dream that one day I will feed a child from Tatooine. Oh, FK me! I am more than just a witness here. It didn't end there. This idea grew itself. 1 became 2, then 3. And now it's more like a small village, which I wish I could save. But I can't do it alone. Not yet. That's why I call for help. To make it happen, I'm bringing to you my little friend, Mikey. Booyakasha! Exactly. And how are we going to do that? Slowly, step by step, by changing what we can. In this case, removing all that old dirty stuff from our past. Key is not to wait up until tomorrow. It have to be done right now. In order to let bright future land on our shoulders in no time. Like the King Atin.
Getting ripped! I think the return to king is back.
We are making this start nice and clean. Around the corner. Around every corner which can be found. Let it be nice and crispy. What? It is a keyboard, not a bacon. It is clicky. No crispy. Clicky. Yashik, you are overthinking it again. Buzz. But it is clicky. Damn right, son. Keep working. Clean your shit, so we can strike. To strike and hit it. Very hard. Big win stays on mine. So don't miss a spot and clean it everywhere. Then yours and mine success will be just one click away. Interesting. Already, a progress has been made. Such a tough guy, and he doesn't swear? This is so rare. I won't lose anything in this year. This is my chance to win, to spread happiness from early beginning. Last time, let me think. Which one should be my first click? To put a fate into my favor, I will have to try them all. Yes, I'm sure about it. Now, that's what I know. There is so much stuff going on. And it will be even more. So grab your seat if you can, and let us drink wisdom from ancient Holy Grail. It will be happy day when we say it has been done in yours name. Until then, remember, sharing is caring. I like that. Lead me, feed me, stay with me. Help me make this world a better place. You can support me now by subscribing on patreon.com/Yashik. It will feel so good. I'm sharing with you all what I have. Can you be my friend? Sharing is caring, so don't be afraid. Fly, fly like an angel, and join us today. I'll be there.